Hey, my name's Ed. I'm sharing a video with you all today as a courtesy. I've been using the Microsoft Learn platform and had an issue because I had completed a challenge that qualifies you to take the DB600 certification test. So I'm going to walk you through how I resolved my problem. If you like it, smash the like and subscribe. I do publish a lot of ETL type content. So rest assured, if you've completed the challenge and you're having issues, you are able to find documented help. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I'm going to show you the documentation that I received, including an email address on who to reach out to. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, there is a deadline to receive the voucher. So it's been about a week, and it took me a while to even recognize that I had an issue. So the Microsoft Learn Challenge, it's going on now, and it's the first challenge. You still can complete it, and it'll go a long way to getting you a DB600, but DB600 costs $165. So it's not much. It's not a huge pain, but it's worth trying to get for free. So if you think you've gotten and you got issues, let me explain to you effectively what they're saying is the very first issue. Okay, so the very first issue is you have a user ID affiliated with your Microsoft Learn account. Your user ID is not your display name. It's not something that you would think. To get it usually is a compilation of your name and some 4-digit number. So mine was Eddie, last name dash 0855. And the way you do that is you go to your Microsoft Learn profile and go to the Learn profile and you'll see your user ID. Okay, that's fundamentally what they're saying is how to get approval for submitting your voucher now. So even if you weren't able to do it this past week, they're saying you should still be able to send an email to the appropriate channel and use your go ahead and use your ID to verify that you're trying to link your user ID, with that challenge, which they say is step one. Okay, let's go on to step two. Bear in mind this slide also shows, look, you should also have a Fabric account, a Community Fabric account. Obviously, that's Power BI on the cloud, and there are a few labs that you would have completed. My hiccup specifically involved that I used a work email to satisfy my curiosity about Fabric as a free product. So I signed up for Fabric with my work account. I'm an IT consultant and I have my own company, so I used my email account from there because I was having a hell of a time using Azure Fabric for free, following all the other YouTube videos out there about how to get it for free. I guess there's a way to get a developer account, but these days it's harder to do that. They're looking for really opportunity to grow the business, so use your work account, okay? And I'm also indicating that if you do have a work account and you went through the laborious process of submitting voucher and creating your community account, you need to link whatever email you use with your Microsoft Learn account, and I'd forgotten to do that. So I went to Microsoft Learn maybe 2 days ago. I updated my secondary email and I sent them an email to say, look, I'm trying to link it up. Here's my user ID on Microsoft Learn. Here's my Fabric Community ID. Please help. And I just got notification that I got a voucher. I'm good to go. Now, you may have an issue that is more specifically related to your concern. I'm happy to address it, but your concern should probably be simply that you didn't know that you had a Microsoft Learn ID. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you the email that I sent and what you're required to do. Just do that. You should be all set, okay? All right, so as mentioned earlier, there is an email address that you should be using, and it is cited, in this email. And you're going to get an email that responds to your email with frequently asked questions, okay? First of all, you need to join the Fabric community. If you're not already a certified Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate DP600, you may qualify if you're among the first 5,000 for the voucher. It's a $165 value. Complete the modules in the Learn Challenge, Ignite Edition, Fabric Challenge, okay? And I did that, and you're supposed to do it by December 10th, which is past. So don't bother doing this unless you've already done it. And then be confident you can take it and pass it by December 31st. Don't submit your request form before completing the challenge, or the request will be disabled. How to request a free voucher. https://aka.ms/iamready/dp600. Supplies are limited. If you're eligible, vouchers will be distributed starting November 25th. Okay. Issues. What if I'm having an issue submitting the form or the form won't submit? How do I find my Microsoft Learn username? If you submitted the wrong username, please fill out this form. Okay, so first, to get the form, you got to follow the instructions we mentioned above. Send them an email. All right, that's it. The next slide is simply just going to show you references which I received after Googling and finding the Microsoft Community, article about it. And God bless. Have a good day.